Guangzhou Fengcai Company Limited, established in 2007, is an experienced supplier engaged in the creative gift design, development, sale and service of office stationery, home decoration accessory, stress toys. Materials used are environmentally friendly. Own brand is Supercute. We have 6 designers to research and development new products. Also cooperate with university students of design, encourage them to innovation, and develop the younger creative idea. We have a sales team of international trade. They are experienced and offer excellent sales service for you. Let you have a pleasant purchase experience, and you will find our reasonable price and satisfactory sales service as well. The same as our video shows, customers can visit the company sample room and make purchases. Our products have got the CE certification and can meet the Europe standards. Some products with utility model patents and exterior design patents. Our creative products selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to many countries such as USA, UK, Australia, Netherlands, Canada, Japan, and other regions. We also join the Gifts and Home Fair in Hong Kong every year. Our cooperation factory has many years' experiences to make plastic products. If you have some creative ideas, we can offer OEM and ODM or production of CNC sample for you. Let your ideas into real products and try our best to meet your sourcing requirements. Please collect our website and contact when you inquire creative products.